Pashchim Bengal is not a dharamshala. It is not a hotel. So we will not allow anybody else from any other country to enter and stay here. Of course, you can come in as a guest.
पश्चिम बंगाल में राजनीतिक बदलाव के बाद अब सरकार अपने चुनावी वादों को जमीन पर उतारने का दावा कर रही है। इसी कड़ी में भाजपा विधायक अग्निमित्रा पाल ने कोलकाता के प्रसिद्ध गरियाहाट मार्केट का दौरा किया और वहां की सफाई व्यवस्था, बुनियादी सुविधाओं और नागरिक समस्याओं का निरीक्षण किया। निरीक्षण के दौरान अग्निमित्रा पाल ने बाजार की साफ सफाई, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, सार्वजनिक शौचालयों की स्थिति, बिजली के तारों की व्यवस्था और अग्नि सुरक्षा जैसे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों की समीक्षा की। उन्होंने स्थानीय व्यापारियों और आम लोगों से बातचीत कर उनकी समस्याएं भी सुनी। इस दौरान उन्होंने सीमा सुरक्षा और अवैध घुसपैठ के मुद्दे पर भी सरकार का रुख स्पष्ट किया। उन्होंने कहा कि सरकार की नीति अवैध घुसपैठ के प्रति जीरो टॉलरेंस की है। उनका दावा था कि अब किसी भी विदेशी नागरिक या अवैध घुसपैठिए को सरकारी सुविधाओं का लाभ नहीं लेने दिया जाएगा। अग्निमित्रा पाल ने आरोप लगाया कि पहले की सरकारों के दौरान अवैध घुसपैठ को लेकर पर्याप्त सख्ती नहीं दिखाई गई, जबकि वर्तमान सरकार सीमा सुरक्षा को मजबूत करने और पहचान संबंधी दस्तावेजों के दुरुपयोग को रोकने के लिए कदम उठा रही है।
See, it all depends on the will. But what will you have? What will I have? If I have the will to climb the Mount Everest, I'll be able to do that. Last governments didn't have the will to give land for security of the people of West Bengal and Bharat to the BSF. They didn't have the will. And the reason is very clear. Because these Rohingyas, these Bangladeshi infiltrators, they were asked to come in. The previous governments got them Aadhaar card, voter card, and they voted for the previous government. We don't have any intention of that sort. So we are very strict about it. We have promised in our manifesto, and in our first cabinet meeting, Honorable Chief Minister have passed this, and land has been given to the BSF. Now, if the Rohingyas or the Bangladeshi people are getting agitated, we can't do anything, because we will not allow any other country people to come into Bharat, to come into West Bengal and get our Aadhaar card, voter card, PAN card and get our stuff. What we are supposed to get from the government, we are not getting it, they are getting it. Lokkhir Bhandar, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, free water, free electricity. We will not allow that. Bharatvarsh and Pashchim Bengal is not a dharamshala. It is not a hotel. So we will not allow anybody else from any other country to enter and stay here. Of course, you can come in as a guest. Atiti Devo Bhava. But we will not allow you to come in and stay back here.
वहीं मार्केट के निरीक्षण के दौरान उन्होंने अधिकारियों को कई आवश्यक सुधार कार्यों के निर्देश भी दिए। उन्होंने कहा कि जल निकासी व्यवस्था को बेहतर बनाया जाएगा, आग से सुरक्षा के इंतजाम मजबूत किए जाएंगे और बाजार में साफ सफाई बनाए रखने के लिए नियमित निगरानी की जाएगी।
There are certain points which I would like to improve. First is the cleanliness of the market. The entire floor has to be changed, and I have instructed my officers. The drainage system is in shambles, so the drain, the pipes have to be cleared, renovated. The toilet is in very bad shape. There are women shopkeepers. I need toilet, please. I need shopkeepers have good toilets, so toilets need to be done. Electric wirings are everywhere, hanging. The boxes are open. I want it completely covered, and I want shopkeepers to maintain their area. If you have 200 square feet area, please maintain that. Every shopkeeper, almost every, have encroached on the common passage. That has to be stopped. No encroachment we will tolerate. It has to be done properly. The fish market has a big ceiling which is having some leakages. Water is pouring down, when you are having rain. And they are using these tarpaulins on top of their stalls. These tarpaulins are extremely inflammable material. So I have instructed that the main structure needs to be renovated and all tarpaulins will be removed. The fire service equipment needs to be checked. There has to be a different place for motorcycle and bicycle parking. You can't park inside. So these are the things which we have checked. I'll be coming after 15 days. And the same system will follow in every market. We, the government of Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari, We are committed and accountable to the people of Bengal.
प्रभातखबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं।